Key, board. Keyboard. A keyboard is a device with keys used to type on a computer. Screen, shot. Screenshot. A screenshot is a picture taken of what's currently displayed on a screen. Blue, tooth. Bluetooth. Bluetooth is wireless technology used to connect devices over short distances. Web, site. Website. A website is a collection of pages found at one address on the internet. Download. Download. To download is to transfer data from the internet to your device. Upload. Upload. To upload is to transfer data from your device to the internet. Touch screen. Touch screen. A touch screen is a display that responds when you touch it with your finger. Hard drive. Hard drive. A hard drive is a device that stores data on a computer. Software. Software. Software refers to programs and applications that run on a computer. Cyber space. Cyberspace. Cyberspace is the virtual environment where digital communication happens. Webcam. Webcam. A webcam is a small camera used for video calls or recording, usually attached to a computer. Wallpaper. Wallpaper. Wallpaper is the background image displayed on a computer or phone screen. Notepad. Notepad. A notepad is a small computer or an app used for writing short notes. Microchip. Microchip. A microchip is a small electronic circuit used in computers and devices. Database. Database. A database is an organized collection of data stored electronically. Mouse pad. Mousepad. A mousepad is a smooth surface used to move a computer mouse. Earbuds. Earbuds. Earbuds are small wireless or wired headphones that fit inside the ear. Password. Password. A password is a secret code used to access an account or device securely. Firewall. Firewall. A firewall is security software that blocks unauthorized access to a computer network. Laptop. Laptop. A laptop is a portable computer you can use on your lap. Desktop. Desktop. A desktop is a stationary computer or the home screen displayed on a computer. Typewriter. Typewriter. A typewriter is an old mechanical device used for typing text before computers existed. Chatbot. Chatbot. A chatbot is a computer program designed to simulate conversation with users.
Which word was the funniest? Comment below and subscribe for more funny English vocabulary.